Students, so today we have discussed about unit 1. This is chapter 1, electric charges and fields. So first, today we have discussed about electric charge. So electric charge is the characteristic of a body or object that causes it to experience an electrical force when placed near the other body or object. This is the one body and this is the another body. If this is the characteristic of a body, if this body is placed near the other body, then the electrical force is produced. So the characteristic of that body is known as electric charge. Okay, so electric charge is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. Okay, so now the types of charges. So charges are divided into two parts. So one is positive charge and the another one is negative charge. Now the another one is method of charging and induction. How a one uncharged body is charged using which method? So the method of producing a charge that is positive and negative in an uncharged body is called process of charging. Okay, so जिस प्रोसेस से हम क्या करते हैं ना अनचार्ज बॉडी के पास जिसके पास चार्ज नहीं होता है, तो उसमें जो चार्ज हम जिस मेथड से प्रोड्यूस करते हैं तो उसे प्रोसेस ऑफ चार्जिंग बोलते हैं. सो देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ और थ्री मेथड्स ऑफ चार्जिंग ए बॉडी. So the first one is charging by friction. So the first one is charging by friction. Okay. So the next one is charging by conduction. The last one is charging by induction. So now first we have discussed about what is the process when the uncharged body is charging by the friction. Okay, due to friction between two bodies, one body loses electrons and becomes positively charged, and the other body gains these electrons and become negatively charged. If let this is the one body A and this is the another body B. If both the body are collide or friction, then the first body is loses the electrons and it becomes positively charged, and the another body gain these electrons, so it will be negatively charged. Okay, so then the next method is comes out, and this method is known as charging by conduction. If an uncharged body is touched with a charged body, this is the body having no charge, so this is touched with the charged body, then the uncharged body is acquire the similar charge. That means if the charged body having positive charge, then the uncharged body is also acquire the positive charge. So this is due to the process of charging by conduction. Okay, and the next one is this is charging by induction. So what is charging by induction? The process of charging a neutral conductor by placing it near a charged object is known as charging by induction. So in this method, a neutral conductor, they have no charges, it is placed near the charged body, so this process, the neutral conductor inducing some charges, so this process is known as charging by induction. Okay, so first now the examples are when the glass rod is rubbed with silk, then the glass rod losses the electrons and it will be positively charged. So the silk possess or acquire or gain the electrons and it will be negatively charged. So the another one is cat skin ebonite. So these are the examples. So funnel, ebonites, woolen cloth, amber. These are the examples how the uncharged body is charged due to three methods. Okay, and the next one is this is properties of electric charge. Okay, so the basic properties of electric charge is like charges. One minute. So like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. Like charges means if two body having positive charges, then both are repelled to each other. If both the bodies having negative charge, then both the also repel to each other. But if one body is positive charge and the another body is negative charge, so both are attract to each other. Okay, so this is the first properties of electric charge. So the next one is charge is a scalar quantity. So it is only magnitude. Scalar quantity means a quantity which is only magnitude is known as electric charge. Okay, then the another one is charge is additive. So that means total charge on a body is equal to the algebraic sum of all the charges present on that body. Okay, so if we consider a body having the number of charges, that means the net charge or the individual charge, the sum of algebraic sum of individual charges is equal to the total charge of a body. Okay, and the next one is quantization of charge. So quantization of charge means uh, the total charge of a body is always equal to the some integral multiple of smallest unit of charge. So smallest unit of charge means the total charge of a, if the q be the total charge of a body and this is equal to the integral multiple of smallest unit of charge means the charge of electron. So q equal to any here n equal to this is n equal to 1 2 3 dot, dot, dot. Okay, so then the next one is, but we know about the charge of electron and charge of electron E equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. If uh, uh, we are right about the charge of electron in with its nature, then E equal to minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So then the next one is the next properties of electric charge is conservation of charge. Conservation of charge means charge neither be created nor be destroyed. It changes from one body to another body. It transfer from one body to another body. But the algebraic or the alternate statement is the algebraic sum of electric charges on all the bodies in an isolated system always remains constant. Uh, the in an isolated system, that means no charges enter into the system or leave to the system, that means the total electric charge of all the bodies is the algebraic sum of, that means total charge remains constant. And the last property is this uh, invariance of charge. Invariance of charge means charge does not vary if the body is taken from one system to another system. यदि हम एक बॉडी को वन सिस्टम से दूसरे सिस्टम को लेके जाएंगे, सो चार्जेस डज नॉट वेरी, चार्ज ର କୌଣସି कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं होगा. ओके, सो आज के लिए इतना ही. सो